Okay, so I have here a 2007 SL550. This is from a local client of mine whose SL I've been working on for the last few years. This thing is very beautiful. You can see in the video that it's blue, but the way the light hits it, sometimes it looks black. You can see the nice flake inside of this paint. This is beautiful. I love Mercedes colors. The choice of colors is very nice. Sometimes it even looks purple. It's like a real deep, dark blue. It's crazy. All depends on how the light hits it. Like right now, as I look at it from this angle, it almost looks black. But anyways, all right, guys. So I have here a nice example of a 2007 SL550. Now, this was just at my house. I did an oil change. I did the service A, which is checking the fluids, doing an oil change. I think service B is the air filter, but just checking everything, going through it, checking the brakes, checking the batteries, the cabin filter, I don't know, air tire pressure, you know, all of those things, just to make sure that this thing is in top operable condition. And it is. It only has like 57,000 miles on it. This is, again, the SL550, so it has the newer motor in it that they started putting in the vehicles in about 07 and up. They offered the 350s and the 550s. Not just this car, but other cars. They also had the 450. So they introduced this is not the original early model V8s, but this is the latter model. Good car, good power. I appreciate the owner contacting me regarding the service A, because you know what Mercedes charges for service A, B, etc. And so in order to save a couple dollars, he thought it'd be in his best financial interest to reach out to me. Again, this is a local gentleman here in Cincinnati, Ohio. He has owned this car for some years. Very well conditioned, stays garage kept like most SLs do. And he really takes care of it, and it shows. So this is, again, a beautiful example of a 2007 SL550. Here we go. Now this has the black interior. You don't see a lot of them with the black most of the time. It has the grays, light grays, tans, real light gray, the charcoal interior. Every now and then you see a cranberry, the red one. I like, me personally, the black. I know there are some other colors out there, especially with the Designo packages. They come in different shades and colors. This has the panoramic roof, which I love. And this thing is in real great condition, man. I like it. Has the original wheels. Now, for whatever reason, this owner keeps his ABC up all the way. Of course, it goes down, I think, once you surpass maybe 40, 50 miles per hour. I can't remember. But it will lower on its own, just to keep that lower center of gravity for handling purposes on the highway or at high speeds. But I didn't want to touch it. I was going to lower it and then do a video, but nope, I'm not touching that ABC. So that if or when the ABC goes out, you can't blame me. Well, did you mess with the buttons? Nope, I ain't touched nothing. Nah, but this is a nice car, you know? Here you go, 57,000. Look at that, boom. Yeah, very nice car, very nice car. It has the updated interior. Well, when it comes to the radio, it's the updated modules and systems. Updated features. I like this thing. It's pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, so let me go ahead and get this back to the customer before something breaks. I'm just playing. All right, thank you. And continue to watch, like, share, and subscribe, and more to come. Go to my Autoworks. I'm out. For the record, I love Mercedes owners. Why? Because they tend to be more appreciative and hospitable, and they understand professionalism, and they take care of you. I'm gonna just say that. I really love Mercedes owners. So I just dropped the gentleman's car off, and I am actually, him and I are about to go take a trip to go look at a home that he's actually building, a new house that he's building. This is a investment property. He's actually just building it to sell it. So again, you know, people typically who own Mercedes typically carry themselves differently, and it's a lot that you can learn from these ones. So I definitely love my business and the hands that I've shaken and the people that I've met. So let me go learn something. Y'all take care. Go to my Autoworks. I'm out.